the foot of Colorado's Maroon Bells, still water becomes a mirror. Each season paints a new scene: gold aspens in fall, fresh snow on jagged ridges in spring. Through her lens, Doreen McGunagle Fine Art documents this place not only for its beauty, but for the responsibility it asks of us. Aspens here grow as living communities, clonal groves sharing one root system, recovering quickly after disturbance and sheltering birds, elk, and countless insects. Along the shore of Maroon Lake, riparian plants knit the bank together, filter sediment, and feed a web of life that stretches from aquatic insects to osprey. This harmony is fragile. Heavy visitation compacts soil and breaks roots. Social trails slice through meadows. Litter and pet waste harm water quality. Off-leash dogs stress wildlife. And drones fracture the quiet that defines a designated wilderness. Conservation here looks like simple choices practiced together. Stay on established trails and overlooks. Avoid stepping onto shoreline plants. Keep dogs leashed and pack out pet waste. Carry out every crumb of trash and microtrash, caps, wrappers, fishing line. Leave flowers, leaves, logs, and rocks as you find them. No picking, no cairn building. Skip the drone. Wilderness values include natural sound and solitude. For photographers, ethics are part of the craft. Use longer lenses instead of walking into vegetation. Compose from durable surfaces. Never stage or handle plants. Work with the light you have. Patience beats proximity. Season by season, climate pressures shift snowmelt, stream flows, and bloom timing. Our habits help Maroon Bells stay resilient. If you visit, plan ahead, follow posted guidance, and share what you learn. Stewardship spreads when we model it. Doreen's work is a celebration of place and an invitation to protect it. Images carry the feeling home, but it's our choices on the ground that keep the mirror bright. Thanks for joining this behind the lens visit to Maroon Bells Snowmass Wilderness and Maroon Lake. Subscribe for more behind the lens videos that celebrate and safeguard our national treasures. Fine art prints are available at DoreenMcGunagle.com, and a portion of all proceeds supports Global Voices for Nature Foundation, Inc. Come be part of our conservation efforts for our precious wildlife and for the places that hold their stories.